Hey guys, today's Tuesday, and today I need you to go on to Google Classroom and I need you to look at the lesson plan. The lesson plan will show you that there are 2 videos that you need to watch. One is like 40 seconds, and it just shows one location over the course of an entire year and how the seasons change throughout that place, okay? The second one is kind of quirky. It's a science court, but it has a lot of really good information, okay? After you finish watching that video, you need to answer the questions that are on Google Classroom. There's like 10. If you don't know an answer, go back to the video and look until you can find the answer. Also, if you did not do well on your quiz from yesterday, you need to retake that, okay? There's a Khan Academy that's on there that you can go through to help you with some of that information. But if you are not understanding something, I really need you to reach out to me so that I can get in contact with you. You can do that through Remind, you can do that through email, you can do that through Google Classroom. If you have tried to contact me and I've not gotten back in touch with you, then I need you to try again, okay? Because I'm getting a lot of emails and a lot of requests, which is fine. And if I didn't get to you, it was just overlooked. It's my bad on my part. So contact me again and I can help you, okay? So make sure that you do the lesson and that you retake the quiz if needed. So I wanted to go over what seasons were and why we're studying about them when we're talking about the earth, the sun, and the moon, and how the earth and the sun actually are what give us our seasons, okay? So let's look at that real quick. All right, so here we have a model that's in front, and we have the sun and we have the earth, okay? And what I want you to notice about this is that the sun is a lot larger than the earth and that the earth is tilted, okay? It is tilted on its axis. Now, as the earth will go, it will revolve around the moon as it revolves around the sun, sorry. As it does that, it will receive different amounts of light. So we have direct and indirect sunlight. Direct sunlight is where you're going to get a higher concentration of the sun's rays. And indirect sunlight is where you get less. So if you look here at this model, you see the sun and how the light is shining onto the earth. We see that this line right here is the equator, okay? And at the equator receives direct sunlight 365 days out of the year. Therefore, it does not have any seasons, okay? There are no change in seasons. If you look here, though, you can see that in the southern hemisphere right now, it is receiving more of the direct sunlight than the northern hemisphere. See how much darker it is here than it is down here. So the southern hemisphere at this point is in summer, and the northern hemisphere is in winter, okay? As the earth revolves around the sun, as it continues to move and changes its position, the earth does not wobble back and forth, okay? It stays like that, but it will continue to move around. Now, once it gets to the other side, the southern hemisphere will no longer receive direct sunlight. It will receive indirect sunlight. So their seasons will change, okay? So what I need you to remember about seasons is this, that we have seasons based on the amount of direct and indirect sunlight the earth receives from the sun because of the tilt of the earth, okay? Because of the tilt, different parts will receive different amounts of sunlight. Direct sunlight is where you have more of the sun's rays. Indirect is where you have less, okay? The equator receives direct sunlight 365 days out of the year. And the seasons are opposite of each other from the northern and the southern hemisphere, okay? Remember, we have seasons because of the earth's tilt, and that we receive direct and indirect sunlight. Indirect is winter, more direct is summer. I hope that helps you out. If it doesn't, just reach out and let me know, and I'll do my best to help you. Have a great day.